If you want to force restart your iPhone 17, I show you how. Same process for iPhone 17 Pro Max also. Let's see that. So first you need to press the volume up button and down button and side button until you see the Apple logo. For now I just press the side button only. So power off. Okay, when you see the Apple logo, remove your finger. Yeah, it's done. So that's it. You need to do this process quickly. Volume up button, down button, and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. When you see the Apple logo, you need to remove your finger. That's it. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, watch this playlist.